Hi everyone, welcome to Morgan and Mallet. Today, we've got a super exciting opportunity for all you professionals out there. A UHNW family based on Saadiyat Island, Abu Dhabi, is seeking an exceptional live-out private chef to join their household on a long-term basis. The role involves preparing daily breakfast, packed lunches, and dinner for a family of 5, with a strong emphasis on refined Mediterranean and Greek cuisine and clean, healthy cooking using premium ingredients. The ideal candidate will have prior experience in the UAE, a broad international culinary repertoire, and the ability to take full ownership of menu planning, ingredient sourcing, and overall kitchen operations. This position offers a competitive salary, visa, and benefits, and the opportunity to work in a professional, respectful, and well-structured private household environment. If you found this opportunity exciting and want to stay updated on more like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for behind-the-scenes content, exclusive job posts, and more. The links are down below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.